Track 111. A.
Hospital,
B.
hotel,
C.
bank,
D.
cinema,
E.
museum,
F.
university,
G.
restaurant,
H.
station,
I.
park,
J.
supermarket.
Track 112.
Cafe, camera, cinema, city, coffee, colour, computer, cup.
Track 113.
Look, there's José.
Yes, we've got lots of questions for him. José!
Hi, everyone. What are you doing here in the park?
We're taking pictures of places in our town for the next photo club project. Rosa has got lots of good pictures. They're all on the club board already. I really like her photos of the museum and the station.
Is there a photo of the cinema, too?
Yes, there is.
And the swimming pool?
No, there isn't. You can take one of the swimming pool for your project. And now we're waiting to take pictures of you.
Me? Why?
You're famous. You're from Brazil. You're getting ready for a big concert here.
How do you know? Ah, yes, the TV interview. That's why there are so many photographers in the town. They're waiting to take pictures of me, too.
Are there any photographers in the park?
I don't know. Yes, there are. Look, there are some over there.
Oh, no. I don't want to talk to them.
Where's your hotel?
It's near the university.
Are there any photographers there?
Yes, there are. I don't want to go back there now.
Well, you can't stay here. Come with us. Let's go to my house.
Are there any photographers near your house, Paolo?
No, there aren't. They don't know us, and my house isn't near the center of town.
Thanks, Paolo. You're a good friend.
There he is! José! Over here! José!
This way, José. Run!
Track 114. Example.
Is there a cafe in this street?
No, there isn't.
1.
Is there a cinema in the town?
No, there isn't.
2.
Are there any restaurants in this street?
Yes, there are.
3.
Is there a university here?
No, there isn't.
4.
Are there any banks in the town?
Yes, there are.
5.
Is there a museum here?
Yes, there is.
6.
Are there any parks in the town?
No, there aren't.
Track 115.
'My favourite place'. Tell us about your favourite place in 50 words. Kate.
I live in Sydney, Australia, and my favourite place is the swimming pool. It's really near the sea. It's big and it's always very clean. I often meet my friends there and we have a great time. It's a very safe place to swim. It's beautiful and it's cheap too.
Ruby.
I live in Bath, England, and my favourite place is Longleat Safari Park. It's great to go there, but it's expensive. You can see lots of different animals. There are tall animals and very small animals. I like the giraffes best. They're very funny. You can see them from outside.
Arturo.
I'm from Rosario, Argentina, and my favourite place is a little restaurant below our flat. It's a great place to eat, and it's famous for its fish. The food is always good, and it's not expensive. I go with my family every weekend. I love living above a restaurant.
Jan.
I'm from Bruges, in Belgium, and my favourite place is the chocolate factory. Belgium is famous for its chocolate. You can go inside the factory and watch people making the chocolate. It's really interesting. The factory is very important for our town. I want to work there one day.
Track 116.
Kate.
Great. Safe. Beautiful. Cheap.
Ruby.
Great. Expensive. Tall.
Arturo.
Little. Great. Expensive.
Jan.
Interesting. Important.